Shut up, we're on YouTube. We're on YouTube. I got drunk though. I
Excuse me. Scoot it over.
Don't scoot over too much.
Okay.
Man.
How do I know if
Bro, I thought I had pockets. Oh, I do. Okay. We're all in it right now. What's up? Welcome to our mukbang. Today we're eating we're eating Domino's.
Bro, the wings
And
are so good.
yeah. We're high. Okay.
Wait, what? I thought it was
The things that we're gonna eat, what are these called? Cheese bread? Whatever this is.
Yeah, cheese bread.
Wings. What are these called? Garlic bread twists?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are so good. I highly recommend these.
It's from DOMINOS.
Use our discount code at
Adriana23.
Oh yeah, I'm Adriana, by the way. This is Donna and this is Erica.
Everybody knows me.
Oh no, they don't. Okay, and then on this pizza, bro, this is so good. This is
Oh, that's the white.
what is this? What is this called?
Alfredo sauce.
White sauce. There's Alfredo sauce, pineapples, sausage, and jalapenos. Yeah, this is so good. I highly recommend this also. The other one is the same, apparently,
Just with tomato sauce.
just with tomato sauce.
Whoa.
Highly recommend.
So which one do you highly recommend?
And we also got a Sprite. I highly recommend the
Sprite.
I highly recommend the Sprite. I highly recommend this bread twist. I highly recommend both of the pizzas, the wings, of course.
There's
So
a
good.
lot of cheese in here.
So this is so good. Yeah, I highly recommend everything. I don't know about the bread though. I haven't tried that.
It's just cheese bread.
I didn't bite it like that. She was like,
No, bro, she was like, bro, she opened her mouth big as hell, took out her tongue, like she was gonna kiss somebody.
did you suck dick like that? No, sore.
Oh,
That's all. What?
Why are you guys watching me when I was eating?
Because you were talking, listening,
Yeah.
and you took a bite.
You guys are watching me hard.
Hell yeah.
How you like the cheese bread?
I didn't try it.
Try
Man,
it.
I kind of fucked it up.
No, you're supposed to rip it like that. I think. Oh, it's fat as fuck. It's like
Do they not cut them or something?
no, they like roll
You're
it.
just supposed to rip it.
Yeah, at the line, because they roll the bread or something, and it makes a line in it.
Don't recommend that. If you want to
I
get
like
some
it.
good cheese bread,
Go
go to our school. or
at your local public school.
no, but yeah, that. Or what is it called? Little Caesars got some good breadsticks. I highly recommend those. They're good. Like it's like sweet, but like not.
There's some breadsticks at the school too.
The Bosco sticks, so good, with ranch or like hot sauce. They're good with anything really. Marinara sauce.
What was that? You sound like a monkey. You said.
I did too.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's lines underneath.
Yeah. Most definitely don't recommend these because there's lines underneath where they should be cut, which makes no sense on why they weren't cut. Are these fully cooked or does this have cheese in the middle?
No, it's not fully cooked. Because it's cheese bread.
No.
Yeah, it's fully cooked.
But right here is like
That's the cheese.
This is, you're telling me this is all cheese?
That's all cheese. It's like American cheese or some shit.
This is like the best food I ever had. I feel like
Right, you don't
I really want to eat a piece of pizza.
think. Do it.
What does that Asian guy say?
Who?
There's this Asian guy. I watch his. He makes food and he just eats it.
People watch that.
Yeah, I do.
You're weird.
you're weird. I don't do that.
The food, no, cause like every time I smoke, I just go in and watch it. Like
Watch
when
him
I'm
eat
starving.
food.
Yeah, like if I don't have food.
You're cruel. I'm starving, so I'm gonna watch a guy eat food.
Yeah, that's what I do. Cause then I feel like when he's eating it, I'm eating it too, so I'm full.
I'm gonna eat that phone.
What?
Okay. What are those?
Wings.
But like what flavor?
Oh, let me look at that because I low-key forgot. I want to order Domino's again.
Habanero.
Habanero?
Mhm.
Merch.
That was like the habanero.
These are so good.
habanero.
Especially
meatball.
from Buffalo Wild Wings. Perfect. I've never tried it anywhere else besides Buffalo Wild Wings, so I wouldn't know if there's anything better. Low-key, I feel like a
YouTube.
real YouTuber. Like, is this how they feel? Nope. Because they get paid.
We could get paid someday.
Wait, sweet mango habanero. That's it. Again, nobody uses ranch.
I love ranch. I didn't even know there was ranch. I'm putting this right here, so don't eat that.
She loves ranch, guys.
Did I? Drink it.
Hmm?
Drink it.
No, what the fuck?
You look on my finger.
Oh, wow. There's can you hand me that box? I'll hold your wing. I was like handing off a baton, like fucking track race. Here you go.
Give me my wing.
Don't drop that shit.
The white sauce.
Okay, because whose fucking hair is this? This is not melty at all. But I'm gonna eat it anyway.
It kind of got cold because it was up here for like a half hour before I even came
Oh yeah,
out.
true, huh? Highly recommend garlic sauce though. It's so good. I wonder how long we've been eating for. Like
15, 20 minutes.
that's a long video. I don't even have Wi-Fi to be uploading these.
Yeah, it's been like 15 minutes. Oh, it's hot.
Mm-mm.
Your eyes are so red.
I know.
Let's see.
Oofta, oofta. I don't know what that was.
What did the garlic sauce taste like?
Tastes good.
Like
It would be better if it was melted though. What if we ate edibles and then ate regular food?
What?
Would it be the same? Like kind of hungry? Or would you not be hungry because you ate?
Have y'all ever ate weed?
Hey, what?
Weed.
Yeah, just to get rid of it.
Like not even bake it, just eat it.
Yeah.
I did that the first time. That shit fucked me up.
For real? I didn't know it had effect.
It doesn't. How did you open a ranch? Oh, yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
Love ranch. Highly recommend it. Just kidding. Dang, we should have got cups before we came up.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Oh no. I'm not really feeling these wings right now.
Why?
What I really liked, that cheeseburger was pretty good, but I wouldn't recommend it because it didn't have the cuts. This is So good. Loved it. And that's what I'm gonna do at this barbecue.
What?
I don't know. It just rhymed.
Did you say barbecue?
Wait, what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna take it to video. Can you move this? Because I want some more bread twists. I feel like I have so much food around my mouth, but they don't have napkins. Move it! Donna, you got fucking that shit on my blanket.
Ooh. What shit?
It wasn't me.
Y'all haven't even ate that pizza yet.
Cause that's the tomato. That's the Alfredo. Wait, yeah. The habanero burns my lips.
You got white girl lips.
So why?
You got grandfather lips. I don't even know what that is, but
Donna got big bird lips.
these are the good lips. What are you talking about? I thought it was juicy. I thought it was juicy.
I can see Donna's future. Her posting videos with lip gloss on for YouTube videos.
Not her dyke yet.
This Asian guy I was talking to, he had long black hair. Look, he
We're
looked like
on
Donna.
YouTube.
He got a very masculine face.
Yeah, bitch, why you baking me?
But I do shit. Nah.
I'm gonna get a new watch. Hold up.
We're getting a new what? You just said
I'm gonna
watch.
get on me.
Oh. I thought you said you're gonna get a new watch.
No.
How the
Alright.
fuck?
Let me just swallow this shit and I'm finna spit.
Spit what? Girl, don't spit in here.
Spit bars, stupid.
What Erica you're speaking, bro?
Alright. Look. Yeah. Erica, you're talking all the smack. Even though you look like a ninja turtle.
What? How
Keep
did
going.
that rhyme?
Keep going.
Your ass can't even run.
Can you hand me my Sprite, please?
That was a big bird.
Can I see
She did
that?
some exorcist shit.
Here, bro.
Ooh. Oh, my laugh probably sounds weird as fuck.
Think of how good this would be after you're high. You know, like the after high foods?
Mm-hmm.
This would be good. It's good for when you're high and after you're high. I think I want one more and then I'm just done eating. Domino's is so good though. Out of Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, Domino's.
I fucking love drum. I would win.
And drama. Okay.
Get it, girl.
DJ Khaled.
Come on, girl. Sing it, girl.
Put you down.
Yeah, girl.
Sing that.
Do your thing.
Bro, I almost spit out pop. She feeling herself.
Who? Erica. Oh, yeah.
Are we done?
Well,
Well, that is my Domino's review. Erica, I'm trying to do the outro. Calm down, big fella. Okay, but
go.
stay tuned for our next video. Yes, it's gonna be us three because we know how to make a video together. Okay.
Oh no, we both.
Did I already say stay tuned? What?
No, that's bad. We all